imong experience sa Panarbaho, matud nimo taga-imis imong experience sa private sector o sa government, nakasuway ka, no? Imo na mention.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Pagsugod nimo kabata sa una nga kuan pagyud nakasuway ka sa
KB chairman ko, sir, sa una Lorega San Miguel.
Okay.
So, well, I have at early age, no, na ko'y background sa politics. But then I was in Hong Kong, no, I was based in Hong Kong. I get to travel as a flight stewardess, no, as a flight attendant. Nakita nako ang lain-laing pamaagi sa different nga nasod yun. So, no? So, basad kay akong experience, ana, sir.
Okay.
And then I was working, and when I left, I was a senior purser, no? So, I manage people also.
Okay.
I'm really a corporate person. So, nakasuway yung kong panarbaho sa gawa. So, OFW ko. O, dugay sa ko dito sa Hong Kong.
Okay.
So, kana nga experience, sir, kuan sad kay na, kanang lalumsad na. And then, I started my foundation, the Simply Share Foundation.
Okay.
When I think 10 years ago, I was still working with CAFE. So, muna sir, Simply Share Foundation, ang among advocacy is food, malnutrition, and food insecurity, hunger.